Maybe you wanna drink water?
Okay, Mommy.
Drink water first.
Okay.
Para sa aming ulam, isda. Marinate lang natin with ginger and some masala. This is yours, okay? We'll put salt in this one, okay? Good job. Okay. Okay. You want to touch the fish or mommy lang?
Me.
Mommy lang?
Mommy.
Rub the fish. Mix. Yan yung kanya. Ito naman yung sa amin.
Very good.
It's very good.
It's very good.
This one is spicy, love.
The one is for Mommy, Daddy.
Yeah. That one is yours, okay?
This one is not spicy.
Yeah, yours is yummy. Without spicy. This one.
This one is for Mommy, Daddy.
Yes, baby.
Why I have one?
This is spicy.
Why I have one?
Yours is having salt. That's okay.
No, I want so many fish.
One for you, one for mommy, one for daddy, okay?
No, actually I get baby one.
That's yours. Baby one is yours because you're baby. Is it?
I eat the next time.
Yeah, you can try this also later if you like, okay?
Okay.
Wala tayo ng salad, cucumber, and sibuyas. Okay, baby.
I eat cucumber.
Okay, go eat. Your fish is ready, okay? We'll eat after some time. Ito na yung kay Mishka, guys. Inuna ko muna yung sa kanya para hindi maging maanghang. Kasi yung sa amin meron ng masala eh. Lagyan natin siya ng cucumber kasi ito yung kanyang paborito. Ito na yung kanyang lunch. Paunahin ko muna siyang kain. Kain tayo!
This is fish.
What's your food?
I eat
Yeah, you can eat the ice. We'll check first, okay? See, there is bone, fish bone. You have to take it out, okay? This hard one.
I don't like the white one. I want the black one.
The black one is there, inside the white one. The rice is little hot. Sit down properly na. Ubos yung kanyang kanin and fish. Ito na lang yung kakainin niya natira. Ready na din yung aming isda. Sabi ko makain na nga. Partner namin dito is Maggi Chili Mansi. Mukhang sunog lang siya, pero hindi naman talaga yan sunog. Yung outer layer lang yung parang sunog kasi sa masala, yung ginger garlic paste, yun yung nasusunog una eh.
Hi! What's your name?
Mishka.
Mishka. Okay. We are going to have some fun with numbers. Okay. Do you know number 1? 1, 2, 3. Do you know?
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In the world of early childhood education, engaging young minds in learning can often be a challenging, yet immensely rewarding endeavor. Recently, my 3-year-old daughter Mishka embarked on a fun learning journey through Banzo, a vibrant platform designed to introduce mathematics to children from UKG to 9th standard. This fun way of learning math was created by Mr. Nilakanta Bano, the world's fastest human calculator. Though Mishka was a bit young, but she has shown interest during her first ever virtual class with Banzo. It was more than what I expected from her, actually. At first, she was a bit shy, and what a usual toddler will do is run here and there. But at the latter part, she got more engaged to show off her coloring and basic counting skills.
How many cherries are there? Okay, how many cherries are there?
Count.
1, 2.
Oh, very good, very good. Yay, correct. There are 2 cherries.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
How many nose do you have?
1, 2.
Two
Only
nose?
one.
1, 2.
One nose. Oh, okay. You have
2 holes.
One and 2.
Two.
2 holes.
As a mother, witnessing my daughter having fun while learning with Banzo was truly gratifying. If you want your kids to learn and explore mathematics, you can attend their free demo class. Just click the link in the description box below. Classes can also be taken if you are living in US, UK, and
Okay,
UAE.
yes, 1 star, 1 heart, 1 apple. Okay. I hope you like grapes. Bye.
Good story.
We enjoyed
Enjoy.
tonight.
Enjoyed. I also enjoyed meeting you.
Update is that finally, almost after 5 years
Of staying in Bangalore.
of staying in Bangalore. Okay, baby.
Give me.
We will be getting transferred to Mangalore, and now we are not sure that if it will be proper Mangalore, because in Mangalore zone, for that matter, 3-4 other districts also come. Mangalore, Udupi, Hassan, Udupi.
Odessa.
Udupi. Odisha is different.
Ah, okay.
Mangalore, Udupi, Hassan, and Shimoga.
Shimoga.
So 3-4 districts. So I don't know which exact place I'll be getting, but yeah, that will be a different environment, I think, because
Nice.
that will be coastal area, I guess. By end of this month, probably we'll be getting our house also shifted.
Next time.
No, we're not coming back next time. She said we'll go next time.
You want this house,
We are
Daisy?
preparing her that we are going to leave this house very soon. So she will ask after that are we coming back next time? There are a group of friends who came here to visit, to check the house last night. I was alone because he is out with some colleagues, enjoying, having some good time. So I was alone. I was showing them the house. And then today there's another person, family, who came to check the house.
And we are feeling bad.
As if we are giving away our house. Yan yung feeling.
And Mishka is also saying, it's my house.
Mishka is showing them the other room and she was introducing that as, this is my bedroom. Aww. Nakakaiyak because it's been
4 years.
yeah that
Almost 4 years it's our home.
we have lived in this house and the memories we have in here.
We are the first tenants
Tenant.
Who came to this house because our owner, he just bought a new apartment flat, and we were the one who shifted first
It was during COVID.
during COVID. So
Yes,
it's like from
It was brand new.
Yeah.
When we entered this house, it was all brand new. Parang nakakalungkot siya na we are going to say goodbye to this house very soon. And actually, yung isang naghahanap kahapon ng bahay, nag-check dito kahapon ng bahay, they were asking if we are going to sell our furnitures like this sofa and then this table. I said I have to check with my husband. So husband, what's the plan? Are we selling this sofa?
I don't think, because if we'll sell, we'll hardly get some 10,000 rupees for this, 10-15,000. And in 10-15,000, if we'll buy, we'll never get this kind of. So it's okay. At least Mishka is jumping on that.
Let this get broken first, then we'll change.
Yeah.
And kasi we also have a lot of memories on this sofa.
Yeah.
Our pregnancy announcement.
So many pictures. We are sitting here.
Yeah, Mishka's
was playing here.
monthly milestone dito sa sofa. So, I was thinking that it's easy to let go of this dining table than sofa. Sabi ko, iniisip ko kahapon na okay lang siguro yung sofa i-keep namin, pero yung dining, i-let go na lang namin. Kasi glass din siya for transferring ba. Accidentally, baka mabasag yung glass. Pero sabi ni Ab, hindi na tayo makakabili ng ganitong dining table sa halaga na ibibenta natin sa, like, second hand na siya ba. So,
It's okay. We'll carry.
we'll get
It's windy.
Tapos yung kabilang lote, guys, inaayos na nila, oh. Siguro magpapatayo na naman ng bagong society dito. Dahil wala naman kaming ganap kanina, nag-lunch lang kami, nanood ng movie. So, hindi na talaga ako nag-vlog. Pero, dahil nga tuloy na yung alis namin this month, nagplano kami ni Abhi na we'll have parang farewell lunch or birthday celebration ko na lang din. Birthday/farewell this coming Saturday dito sa bahay. So, in-invite ko lang naman yung mga kaibigan ko na, alam mo yung winelcome din ako sa mga bahay nila, in-invite ako sa mga events nila. So, before kami umalis, meron kaming farewell party. Pero mga friends ko lang, ewan ko kaibi ko ng plano niya sa kanyang life, kung mag-farewell party din ba siya. Are you planning to have your own farewell party with friends? Not really.
For boys, we don't need to plan. Whenever we want, we can sit.
Tayo lang, mga Pinoy. So, yun. Dahil na-fix na namin yung aming date, this coming Saturday, yung aming pa-lunch. So, kailangan namin mag-grocery ng mga gagamitin. Tulog siya. Mga 20 minutes din siguro yung tulog niya kasi na-traffic kami. Ang daming sasakyan papunta dun sa center. Mimi, we're here! Hindi kasi ito natulog nung hapon. Yung kanyang afternoon nap. So, ngayon, inaantok alas 7. Ang daming tao dito. Ang tagal namin naghintay sa D-Mart kasi ang daming tao na hindi nakakalabas dahil umuulan. Yung mga maliliit lang yung dadalhin namin sa taas. Itong mga tubig, mga soft drinks. Sa susunod na araw na namin or bukas ko na lang siya dadalhin. Tinambak na lang lahat dito sa loob, guys, kasi umuulan nga kanina basta si Abhi sa pagpasok ng mga binili namin. Enough?
Mimi, क्या कर रही है बच्ची? Don't press, baby.
Magandang umaga, ayong aga. And today, meron akong pupuntahan, birthday celebration ng isa kong kaibigan. So, aalis kami ngayon ni Mishka. At dahil nag-edit ko ng video, para kahit gumalaman ako today, merong upload today. Sabi yung nagluto ng aming breakfast. Ito, aming ulam, patatas, and upo. Tapos, nagluto din siya ng chapati. Nakapag-pack na pa siya. Daddy? Did you pack your lunch already? I have eaten already. Kumain na pala siya. So, yung chapati, para na lang ito pala sa akin. Supportive siya sa aking gala today. Kasi, birthday nga. Dapat maaga ako. Makikita kami ni Ate Gladys kasi kailangan ko pang bumili ng regalo. And then, mula doon sa bahay ni Ate Gladys, pupunta na kami ng venue. Sa mall actually. So, mas okay na. Doon ako sa mall maghanap ng pangregalo. Si Mishka tulog pa. Mamamadali lang ako. And ihanda ko muna yung pagkain ni Mishka. Oats na lang. Kung hindi siya makakain dito sa bahay, babaunin ko na lang yung kanyang oats. We are ready to go. Aba, nag-post pa. Naghihintay na lang ako ng aming Uber. Medyo malapit lang naman yung bahay ni Ate Gladys. Mga 15 minutes, 16 minutes away. Dito na yung aming Uber. Come on. Fast. Let's go. Ilang minutes ba? Let's see. 9:15. 10:53. 10 minutes lang naman yung biyahe namin guys, papunta kay ate. Medyo traffic pa, pero 3 minutes away na lang kami. 10 minutes away lang ito sa bahay namin. Kung hindi lang sana kami aalis guys, ito na sana yung palagi kong pupuntahan na bahay. Yung kay ate Gladys. Bago lang kasi sila dito eh. More than 1 hour na kami nagbabiyahe ngayon. Finally, dumating din kami dito, Lulu Mall. Isa't kalahating oras siguro yung biyahe namin.
Bukid talaga.
Mula probinsya talaga kami. Magkahawak kamay na yan guys. BFF pa yan ngayon kasi sa sasakyan, hindi yan sila magkatabi. So hindi nakapaglaro. So ngayon lang sila nagka-banding talaga. Pero mamaya mag-aaway din yan. Dito kami ngayon sa Bath and Body Works maghahanap ng pangregalo. Anong maganda te? Asa na? Yan na yung aking regalo. Buti naman meron silang pag-gift wrap dito sa BBW. Where did you get this? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? Tell me. Okay, don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Okay, come here. You have to behave. You and Kuya behave. Okay. Thank you. Ito yung binili muna namin guys, pakakainin muna ito ng nuggets before kami doon pupunta sa venue ng birthday ni Ate Shiro sa Barbecue Nation. Kasi yung barbecue doon, yung pagkain doon, maanghang pa din eh. So ito, binilhan namin ng chicken nuggets. Mga latecomers. Pero kanina pa kami dumating guys. Umili lang kami ng regalo. Tapos yung pagkain ng mga kids nuggets doon sa McDonald's and KFC. Kaya na late kami. So andito na yung birthday celebrant and yung ibang mga ate. Andyan na sila oh. Patawa-tawa pa si Andrea. Nakita ko na. Come on! There. Sa gilid. Go inside. Go inside. Go follow tita. Inside. Diba? Hi! Ay, mga bisita. Ito yung birthday girl. Meron silang brownies. Okay na, girl. Okay. Oh, supportive nga. Chicken biryani. Ate, itong fried rice mo, oh. Oh, ito yung hinahanap niya, eh. Fish curry. Meron silang fish curry, girl. Butter chicken masala. Ano ba yan? Paneer makni. Paneer makni. Wow. Oo. Dapat magana kang kumain. Pansit. Manchurian. Ano yung sa kabila? Plain rice. Yung isa busy din yan, ah. Busy siya. Picture muna before kain. Ito naman kay Mishka. Come on. Sumasayaw-sayaw pa. Barbecue. Tapos ito yung kay Ate So, guys. Kulti. Diba? Mauubos mo yan, Ate So? Wala siyang gana. Wala siyang gana. Mga ilan lang naman to? 2, 4, 6 lang naman. Okay. Kami dito sa kabila, guys. Oh. Ang gulo-gulo namin dito kasi ang dalawang kids andito. Diba? Yay! Magsising kami sa kanya. May isa ka pang ano eh. Mamaya na yun. Oo, kay Sam yan galing. Oo. Ito kaming lahat, guys. Tapos yung ito, busy din. Kaka-camera. Supportahan ko yung vlogging. Hello everybody. Welcome to Jayan's vlog. Charot. Si Ate So ba kasama? 1, 2, 3. Wish pa muna! Walang kandila? Wala candle. Kung nag-girl, hihirapan ka. Walang kandila pala. Joke na lang. O, joke na lang. Dali, blow. Parang bata. Uy, wala. Hindi mo pala siya pinicturean. Picturean mo siya, girl. Yung friend mo, girl. Walang pa-picture. Wait. Wala siyang remembrance. Picturean mo nga. Walang nang picture yung friend mo, oh. Yay! It's a boy! It's a boy ba or girl? Ano yan? Pink or blue? Yay! Isungal-ngal mo nga. Pag ano nga? Janet! Ako may birthday. Kita ba yung birthday girl dance? Hindi niya ikaw. Okay na ba? O isa pa? Kuya. Tatlo lang yung kids na andito ngayon. Look here, Mimi. Oo. Yan, after namin kumain dito sa Barbecue Nation, pasok tayo ulit sa loob ng Lulu Mall. Ganito kami lahat kadami, guys. Ano? Oy! We're not going yet. Inside. Dito kami ngayon sa Starbucks, guys. Magkakape sila. And yung mga kids, andito. Pink? Okay, you can get only one, okay? You want to ask Kuya, what color do you want, Kuya? What color do you have?
Color.
And Kuya's color? Gray.
Mommy, I like this.
Okay.
Mommy, I like this rubber. Different ice.
This is a frog. Yes. Para mag-enjoy sila, inopen ko na yung kanyang Play-Doh. Can you make a circle? Oh, wow!
What is that?
It's a rainbow.
Kuya, no!
Careful, Kuya. Ayan silang tatlo. Mo-order. Ako yung bahala sa mga kids. Meron siyang crown and sash. Birthday girl. Girl, nag-effort siya, girl, para sa'yo, girl. Tingnan mo, birthday girl. Uy, picturean mo siya. I-send sa asawa niya kasi twice a month na lang ito makakalabas eh. Oh, wow! Oh, diba? Ang danda-danda.
Sabi niya, matagal pa eh. Save mo na lang sa legs. Baka sabihin niya na galing yan sa'yo kasi ganyan yung hindi ko tanggalin sa ano.
Sabihin mo, pag tayo na wala na yung gawin.
Wala kaming ano. Hindi sa akin kasi kinikip ko kasi yan. Wala, sakto naman. Alam ko, joke nga yun ng mga barkada ko. Sabi mo, itago mo yung pinang...
Date next time.
Pinang-bridal shower.
Put it in the...
Bakit? Pwede naman ginatago ko kayo.
Sino next na mag-birthday? Tago mo din.
Uy! Si Jaya.
Dadaling ko to sa Sabado. Pag Jian, iuwi ko to. Susok ko to sa Sabado.
O nagliligbig na yung nanay, oh.
Hindi na naglag to, girl.
Pag Jian, ikaw naman sa Sabado. Nangingit yata si Mishka.
Yan, hayan. Princess siya ngayon. Ano ba kayo? Uwi na kami, guys. Kanya-kanyang booking na. Ate, 2 minutes. Ito, nagbubook yan. 2 minutes. Oo, bilis namin.
Tara, doon tayo mag-intay.
Mishi! Mish! Diba?
The police?
Come on! Ay! Te, nag-cancel siya ulit.
O, diba? Kaganina nga.
Cancel. Yung isa naiwan. Andrea! Naiwan pa yung isa. Bye, tita!
No, later.
Pauwi na kami. We're home. Excited na siyang makita si daddy. Knock, knock.
Daddy, I did Korea.
Umatayan kami ng birthday party pero meron ding parigalo yung birthday celebrant kay Ate Jewel. Galing kasi siya sa Abu Dhabi. Pasalubong from Abu Dhabi. What is this? What is this? Of his favorite dingdong. Ito na kasi yung sinabi ko sa kanya na gusto ko eh. Yung dingdong na green kasi paborito ni Abhi. Yan. Diba? Tapos meron naman akong bagong stock ng Magic Sarap. Thank you so much. Diba? Sinigang mix din. Thank you, ate. And another liquid seasoning. Thank you so much, Ate Jewel. And ito naman, galing to kay Ate Gladys. Parang ano ata niya to? Christmas gift kay Mishka or birthday gift na ngayon lang niya nabigay. Ito pala yung isa pang strawberry na binili ko kay Mishka kanina nung andun kami sa Lulu Mall. Mishi, this is from Kuya. Daddy, look. Blouse for Mimi. This is nice. Another one. 45. Buti naman, 45 years old yung pinili niya. Kasi si Mishka matangkad eh. Mishi, look. It's so cute. Ang nice naman ito. 45. Maganda talaga yung kanyang pinili. 45 years old na size. Kasi si Mishka, alam nyo na, may pagka Miss Universe yung height. Thank you, Kuya. Ang dami pa. Ito, 3 to 4 years old. Okay to kay Mishka. Okay to.
Wow.
Wow! Ang nice naman ito. Parang crop top siya na blouse. Cute naman. Terno. Tapos ito skirt. Skirt ba or short? Skirt. Ito yung skirt. Ito yung taas. 5 to 6 years old. Ang nice. Crop top din guys. Tapos yung likuran niya. Tingnan niyo. May pa butas-butas siya dyan sa likod. Another one.
Yes.
5 to 6 years old. Ah, so cute. Oh my gosh, ang daming dress ni Mishka from Tita Gladys. I'm excited. Dami ng kanyang pag-gift kay Mishka. Hey, thank you so much, Ate Gladys. Pinay in India. Bumili ako ng Play-Doh para sa kanya, tapos itong colors. Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya ngayon ka interested sa pag-color-color. After niyang makipaglaro kay daddy, ito na siya, nagpipainting-painting na siya.
So again, to those who are interested to attend Banzo's free demo class, just click the link in the description box below.